Good morning, students. Before this, we have discussed that what is the what is the standard meridian of the India. As I have told you all that 82 degree 30 minute east is regarded as the standard meridian of India, which passes through the city of the Mirzapur in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Is it? Now we will discuss India and the world. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and West Asia. Between the East and West Asia, Indian landmass, or in other words, we can say India is located between the East and West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. We have already discussed about this, that India locates at the southern part of the Asia continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes, which connects the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia, provides a strategic control location to India. Now, trans-ocean routes. Yes, actually this routes is mainly used for the purpose of the transporting of the goods through the waterways. So this trans-Indian Ocean route connect the countries of Europe from the west part of the India and countries of the East Asia by the east part. Note that the Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. As we have already discussed about it, that about 22 degrees south Indian landmass started to being taper. Yes. So that region which is taper or triangular in the shape, that is known as the Deccan Plateau. So Deccan Plateau help India to establish close contact with the West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast and Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has, and indeed it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. So any other country has not such a big coastline as India is in the Indian Ocean, and this is the main cause that this ocean got its name from the India. Now see, one more thing is given. Do you know? Since the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. Yes, Suez Canal. This is a narrow stream of water, and the opening of the Suez Canal took place in the year of 1869. And by the opening of this Suez Canal, the distance between the Asia and Europe, or we can say India and Europe, reduced by the 7,000 kilometer. So you can see that how much important was the Suez Canal.